In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix hug container and fill container problem in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the frame or group that's giving you trouble. A common issue is when a child element won't expand using fill container. The first thing to check is whether its parent is actually an auto layout frame. If the parent is just a regular frame or group, fill won't have anything to respond to. Select the frame or group that holds your elements, like text or buttons. Then right-click and choose the Auto Layout option. As soon as Auto Layout is applied or selected, you'll notice the frame boundaries update and, in the right sidebar, the resizing controls appear under the resizing section. That's where Hug, Fixed, and Fill live. If the Fill option seems to be missing for a layer inside Auto Layout, it's usually because that object is absolutely positioned. Absolute positioning lets an element float independently, which disables the normal resizing rules. Turn off absolute positioning for that layer, so the resizing controls become available again and the element can participate in the layout. Next, if your container isn't resizing with its content, change the parent container's width or height from fixed to hug. Fixed locks the size so the container won't grow or shrink as content changes. Hug, on the other hand, measures the content and adjusts the container to fit. Switch width to hug if items are getting clipped horizontally, and switch height to hug if stacked content is getting cut off or leaving extra space. If text is breaking your layout by pushing boxes too large or not aligning with siblings, set that text layer to fill container. Fill tells the text box to share available space with its neighbors according to the parent's auto layout direction. This helps prevent one long label from forcing awkward gaps, while still letting the container set to hug, grow only as much as needed. Finally, if you are dealing with broken layouts and nested frames, check each parent from the inside out. Make sure parents are consistently set to hug or fill where appropriate, rather than mixing fixed with fill in ways that conflict. A parent stuck on fixed can block children set to fill from expanding, while a well-phased structured chain of hug and fill lets content size naturally and containers respond correctly. Follow these checks in order, and your hug and fill behavior should become predictable and easy to control. Thanks for watching.